Important terms in magnetic circuit. Number 1. Magnetic field. The region around a magnet where its pole exhibit a force of attraction or repulsion is called magnetic field. Here we can see this is a magnet and these are the magnetic field. Number 2. Magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is represented by phi. The amount of magnetic lines of force set up in magnetic circuit is called magnetic flux. Its unit is Weber, represented by capital W and small b. Magnetic flux is analogous to electric current I in electric circuit. Magnetic flux density, it is represented by capital B. It is the flux per unit area at right angles to the flux at that point. Its unit is Weber per meter square or Tesla. Therefore, the formula for magnetic flux density is B is equal to flux per unit area, which is phi by A. The unit of flux is Weber and the unit of area is meter square. So, the unit for magnetic flux density is Weber per meter square or Tesla. Next is permeability. The ability of material to conduct magnetic lines of force through it is called permeability of that material. It is represented by mu. It is a Greek letter. For air or vacuum, permeability is poorest and represented by mu 0. And the value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7 Henry per meter. Also, mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r, where mu r is the relative permeability, or we can say that relative permeability is the ratio of mu upon mu 0. The unit of permeability is Henry per meter, represented by capital H upon M. Next is magnetic field intensity. It is represented by capital H. It is defined as mmf per unit length of the magnetic path. That is H is equal to mmf upon length of magnetic path. And we know mmf is equal to number of turns into current upon length. The unit for magnetic field intensity is ampere turn per meter. The unit of current is ampere. The unit of number of turns is capital T, which is turns, upon the unit of length is meter. Magnetomotive force, or in short we say MMF. The magnetic pressure which sets up or tends to set up magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit is called magnetomotive force. MMF is equal to number of turns into current. Its unit is ampere turns, or in short capital A and capital T. It is analogous to EMF in electric circuit. Next is reluctance. Reluctance is represented by capital S. The opposition offered to the magnetic flux by a magnetic circuit is called its reluctance. It is measured in ampere turn per Weber. Reluctance S is equal to length upon area into permeability. And we know this permeability is equal to mu 0 into mu r. It is analogous to resistance in electric circuit. Next is permeance. Permeance, it is a measure of the ease with which flux can be set up in the material. It is measured in Weber per ampere turn. Since reluctance is measured in ampere turn per Weber, it is the reciprocal of that, so Weber per ampere turn or Henry. Permeance is the reciprocal of reluctance, and we know the formula for reluctance is L upon A into mu. So its reciprocal will be A into mu 0 mu r upon L. Unit will be Weber per ampere turn or Henry. It is analogous to conductance in an electric circuit. Next is reluctivity. It is a specific reluctance and analogous to resistivity in electric circuit.